Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js package which allows you to import Visual Studio Code icons directly inside your React.js application. Visual Studio Code, as you all know, it's a text editor, very popular code editor, and they do offer a dependency for React.js application where you can import all these icons which you can see right here. From the name itself, we can import all these icons. So there is a package that you can use inside React.js. If you simply go to npmjs.com and simply search for this package, react-vscode-icons. So this package will come in. So let me just open my zoom it tool just to zoom on a particular element. Just wait. So this is actually the dependency. If you go to just search for this React VS Code icons. So this is essentially this package I'm talking about, and you need to install this. I've already installed it. Actually, this is the command here. So once you install it, it's a fairly new package. So I will show you step-by-step instructions. So just first of all, make a functional component, and first of all, now we need to import this module. We write this line which is activate breakpoints, which will be coming from this React VS Code icons. Yes, activate breakpoints, and manually you need to import all the icons. So we also have the add icon which will be coming from this React VS Code icons add. Similarly, we have more icons. Import archive, which is also another icon. Arrow, if you want to have arrow both, arrow down, all these icons are there in VS Code. So one by one you can simply import this using these import statements, and then you can actually create a simple array where you mention all these icons one by one. So I can create an array of objects. For each icon we can create an object, the name of the icon, then the component, respective component that we imported. You will see we are simply doing that. And now we come to the JSX where we need to embed this. So we simply write like this, and here we need to import our icons. So I have given all the source code in the description of this video. You can copy paste it. So I have written these styles here, custom CSS styles for styling the icons, and you can actually now basically use these CSS classes to import these icons. So we are having this icon component, and here we are styling it and showing this component. We are mapping through all the icons which are present in this array of objects. For each icon we are using this map operator. So we are embedding this icon component. If you try to see this inside the browser, you will see each icon will be displayed with its respective name and the actual icon that you see. So if you try to go to their official website, so this is, you can even go to their website as well, react-vscode-icons.vercel.app. Here you can search for any particular icon that you want to search. If you want to search for a particular icon, you can see inside their website they have all the icons available of VS Code. So this was a tutorial guys on how to import VS Code icons directly inside your React.js application using this module. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.